Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. In today I have on Chevrolet Malibu. In this video I will show you how you can remove this driver airbag. Okay, I will show you how you can remove it. See, I already removed, and here you can see pins lock are there. Okay, so what you have to do, see, go that side, here one lock, and you can see here inside this hole, see, and press like this, then unlock airbag. See, steering back side, see, like this. Okay, and then unlock here, 1 2 and then 3. Okay, and then remove this airbag very easily. Okay, thank you. If my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel.